And I want to apologize
ndagira ngo nsabe imbabazi
for any misrepresentation
ku kintu cyagaragaye kisa naho kidakwiye
from the banners today.
Ku gitambaro cyagaragaye.
And I'm so honored to be in your country of Rwanda. I saw myself on social media today. And I wanted to clear up a couple of things. I am a believer since 9 years of age. And what my dream was was to become a mom and a wife, which I did. And I got to have 2 children. And I lost my husband 6 years ago. But I'm honored to be in ministry. So that's a little about me. And I want to apologize for any misrepresentation from the banners today. Where I'm from, the banner represents something different. It's a release of worship. But absolutely no alignment with any agenda. And I personally had no alignment with any agenda. And it does not represent the LGBTQ agenda. But I want to say, I'm still so honored to be here. And I hope to see you and meet you and worship with you. Thank you so much.
Murakoze cyane. nitwa KK Chess.
And I'm so honored to be in your country of Rwanda.
Ni iby'agaciro kuba ndi mu gihugu cy'u Rwanda.
I saw myself on social media today.
Nibonye uyu munsi ku itangazamakuru.
And I wanted to clear up a couple of things.
Hari ibintu nshaka kugira ngo mbabwire.
I am a believer since 9 years of age.
Ndi umukristo wakiriye Kristo ku myaka 9 y'amavuko.
And what my dream was
indoto zanjye
was to become a mom
zari kugira ngo mbe umumama
and a wife,
n'umudamu,
which I did.
Kandi narabigezeho.
And I got to have 2 children.
Nabyaye abana babiri.
And I lost my husband 6 years ago.
Nubwo imyaka ishize 6 umugabo wanjye yitabye Imana.
But I'm honored to be in ministry.
Ariko nshimishijwe no kuba ndi mu murimo w'Imana.
So that's a little about me.
Ibyo ni byerekeye jewe.
And I want to apologize.
Ndagira ngo nsabe imbabazi
for any misrepresentation.
Ku kintu cyagaragaye kisa naho kidakwiye.
From the banners today.
Ku gitambaro cyagaragaye.
Where I'm from,
aho nturuka,
the banner represents something different.
Igisobanuro cyacyo ni ikindi.
It's a release of worship.
Twebwe ari byo dukoresha ibitambaro bisanzwe turamya Imana.
But absolutely no alignment with any agenda.
Ariko jewe nta ntego mfite nimwe.
And I personally had no alignment with any agenda.
Kandi nta ntego mbi yindi mfite.
And it does not represent the LGBTQ
yo guteza imbere ubutinganyi.
But I want to say,
ariko ndagira mbabwire ko
I'm still so honored to be here.
Nshishijwe bugufi no kuba hano.
And I hope to see you.
Ndishimira kuzagaruka no kubabona.
And meet you.
Nkababona nanone.
And worship with you.
Tukaramya Imana hamwe.
Thank you so much.
Murakoze cyane.